road warriors, ready to turn your RV dreams into reality, but worried about your credit score holding you back. Don't hit the brakes just yet. We've got the inside scoop on how to navigate the thrilling world of RV purchases and credit scores. While envisioning owning your RV, discovering the right financing is the essential next step in making your RV dreams a reality. Now let's talk financing. Sure, you've probably breezed through loan applications before, but RV financing? That's a whole new ballgame. Traditional lenders often see RV loans as more of a luxury than necessity, which can make securing financing a bit trickier than, say, getting a mortgage or a car loan. When you hear FICO scores, what comes to mind? Now here's Adam to explain the details.
When you hear FICO scores, what comes to mind? It's just a number, but it has a huge impact when it comes to RV loans. These scores, based on various factors like your credit history and debt to income ratio, can make or break your chances of scoring that dream RV. While some loans might have lower credit score requirements, RV lenders tend to set the bar pretty high, usually north of 700. Moreover, this FICO score plays a crucial component in the RV financing process. It affects not only your ability to get approved for a loan, but also the terms and cost of your loan. The higher, the better. For RV loans, you'll want a minimum credit score of around 600 or more. Why? Because lenders want to be sure you can pay them back. But don't worry. If your credit score is under 600, we have a solution for you coming up at the end. So, what's all the fuss about RV financing? Well, here's the deal. RVs lose value over time, unlike houses. And selling or recovering them isn't very straightforward, making lenders a bit cautious. But buying an RV opens up a world of experiences and memories. Yet finding the right financing feels like solving a tough puzzle. Getting an RV loan might seem daunting, but it's not rocket science. Traditional lenders view RV loans as depreciating assets, just like cars. Unlike real estate, which tends to appreciate, this depreciation makes lenders a bit more cautious. They might require a minimum credit score for RV loans and be choosier about who they lend to. So, where does that leave you? Feel like pitching a tent instead? Hold that thought. What if I told you there's a solution? RV Depot offers luxurious motorhomes that ensure there is something for every lifestyle and budget. Since 1990, we've been on a mission to make RV dreams come true, no matter your credit score. We believe that numbers don't tell the whole story. And with our in-house financing program, we're rewriting the rules of RV lending. With our in-house financing alternatives, RV Depot simplifies the process. Instead of dealing with third-party lenders, you engage directly with us. We work with you to understand your financial situation and develop a payment plan that works for you, even if your credit isn't ideal. This tailored approach results in faster approvals and a more efficient procedure overall. Simply select your RV, negotiate the conditions with our helpful financing experts, and you'll be on your way to hitting the road in no time. It's simple, easy, and geared to make your RV dreams come true. At RV Depot, we're not just another dealership, we're a family. We understand life can throw curveballs, whether it's divorce, bankruptcy, or being self-employed. That's why we take a holistic approach to financing, focusing on your unique situation rather than just numbers on a page. There's a lot of opportunity waiting for you here at RV Depot, including countless in-house financing options that give you hope. Are you ready to hit the road in your dream RV? Here's how. Give us a call. Our RV specialists are standing by to chat with you and answer any questions you may have. Pick your RV. With over 400 units in our inventory, there's something for every adventurer. Get approved, fill out a short application, and our RV specialist can have you approved in as little as 1 hour. Schedule your pickup. Our RV technicians will walk you through everything you need to know before you hit the road. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time adventurer, RV Depot is here to make your dreams a reality. Reach out to us today and join the ranks of happy campers who found their home on the road. Who knows? You could be our next happy camper.